So we get a lot of questions often about our program, our in-home outpatient-based physical therapy program. And what we do is we bring physical therapy to your home in the same manner that you would get it at a brick and mortar clinic in the real world. One question that we get is, how are we different? How are we better? And by better, I mean, that's in the way we provide our service. Every physical therapist is extremely important in my mind, in my estimation, and really underutilized. But how is Achieva Rehab's in-home physical therapy program better than a traditional clinic experience, a traditional physical therapy clinic experience? So number one, the convenience aspect and the comfort aspect. Think about having to get ready to go somewhere in this type of weather. This morning it was 5 degrees outside, and I drove past a clinic, and I just wondered, how uncomfortable those folks were trying to get out of their home and get ready, and then you open the door and 5 degrees, hits you. It's just not inviting. At any time of the year, it's just a much better experience for you as the patient to have your therapist come to you, and it's comfortable because it's in your own home. We are able to deal with you very effectively in your own home, and you don't have to worry about getting ready early, preparing for a drive, worrying if the weather is going to, interact in a negative way in terms of allowing you to get to the clinic. And since consistency is the absolute most important thing, we will be consistently able to make it to your house more than you would be able to make it to a clinic. So it's just a better way to do things because of that factor. The second thing that we like, that we feel is more important than anything, is that our way is providing you 100% of our attention. When you're in a busy clinic and there's people moving around and there's more than you as a patient that the therapist have to deal with, that steals the attention from you specifically. If we are in your home with you, it's one-on-one, there's no distractions, and that allows us to give you 2 to 3 times more focused, concentrated attention on you and you only without any interruptions. And you can see how that kind of overrides anything that you would possibly be able to do in a physical therapy clinic. The third thing is the safety of it. You're in your own home. We can teach you how to be safe in your own home. We do a lot with people with balance problems and fall risk. So teaching you how to be safe at a physical therapy clinic sometimes doesn't translate and move those ideas into your own home. Whereas we come to your home and it's teaching you safety in every little thing that you do in your home. And we can find little details and those types of things to keep you safe for the long run in your own environment where you spend the majority of your time. The fourth thing is that when you get a home exercise program from your therapist, if we come to your home, we teach you right where you're going to be doing the home exercise program. And the specifics and the details of that will stick better in your mind, so you will forget less about the exercises that you're doing. You will remember more, and you will remember where to do them, and they'll be more effective for that reason. For us, Achieva Rehab's in-home physical therapy program is simply a better way to deliver the care that you need. Physical therapy is underutilized, meaning we're not at the top of the choices when it comes to what doctors are prescribing often. And they don't have time to kind of go through all the proper considerations. But movement is medicine, exercise is vital to you growing older and safely and being able to move better as you get older. So think about how we can help you. If you know anybody that might have balance problems or things like Parkinson's disease or multiple sclerosis or pain, back pain, if they're getting a knee replacement or a hip replacement or a shoulder replacement, we do all those types of things, and we work exclusively with the older population, and it's just simply a better way in our mind.